Hello guys, in last few videos we create Exness account, we verify Exness account, we create demo account, and we also create a real trading account number in Exness as well. Today is a very important day because I am going to deposit in Exness account. How to deposit and how to withdraw in your personal trading account, then this video is for you, and I promise you know everything about the deposit and withdraw related to the Exness. If you have any question, inshallah we are going to go through all your questions. So let's start today's important video. My name is Rahil Nawaz. Welcome to thecapitalcoach.com. First of all, go to myexness.global and log in your account. So let me click on the login, and we have a demo account and we are a real account as well. Unfortunately, my real accounts are archived now. Let us create a new account very quickly. I want to show you something very unique. So I am going to create a Standard Plus account, and the name is Rahil Plus. And leverage, I am going to choose unlimited, MetaTrader 5, and the password is Rahil. Let us create account. Okay, they said they are not going to give us the unlimited leverage, so let us choose small leverage. And now we have we have an account. Let me click on deposit. Here we go. We have plenty of option to deposit in Exness. So first of all, we have Tether, USDT, BEP20 option. It's recommended by Exness. And we also have BNB, which is directly Binance Exchange. Token, Binance Pay. We can use Binance Pay directly. We can use BTC as well to deposit, but the 1 hour is estimated process time, which is too long. It's not recommended for us. If you are from Pakistan, you can use Easy Pesa, and you can also use Ethereum, Chas Cash, and local payments. If you are from any country, you can use local payment option as well. We have Nettler option, Skrill, Tron, USD to ERC20, ERC20, and USDC as well. Plenty of option. And last but not least, we have between account transfer is also option. But in this video, I am going to show you to do deposit from USDT BEP20. It's a Tether and it's a very fast and recommended by Exness. So let me click on this. So they said you are only allowed to deposit and withdraw in your account for trading purposes, otherwise it's not allowed. So I click on OK, and I select BEP USDT 20 and complete the scan. Now I have the exact number right now. Click on the policy first. Let us choose another option. They are restricting us, so I am going to use USDT TRC20. I think so. That's the no. They said you have to scan your face first and give us the more clarity you are a real person or not. Okay, let us continue with mobile as well. We can use mobile as well. Let us first of all scan this code, and after the scanning this code, they are going to take a selfie. Okay, it's complete. It's complete. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, verified, it's complete. It's a very good thing. It's happened to me because blessing for me, because I show you how they work. So let me click on scan again. Here my profile is verified, and I hope so. Now I am ready to deposit again. Okay, let me reload the website. Okay, this one. And now I have a create account, and I have already 99 cents there, but I want to deposit again. You need to copy this address, or you can scan with your mobile as well. So I'm going to scan with my mobile. Let me open my Binance. We have to select the USDT BEP20 and USD BEP20. I scan the code and let me put the amount. I am just going to $350 as well. Okay, they said your withdrawal is successfully done. I don't think so. You are looking at my mobile screen because a product with protected glass. Okay guys, we just got our deposit in our account. It's showing us $350 already deposited in my account, and it's in my crypto wallet right now. And crypto wallet is USDT, this one BEP20. Okay, that's the fund which I need to transfer in my trading account. So let me click on the transfer. We need to choose our trading account, put the amount 350. I wanna post 98. All the fund I need to transfer in my account, and here we go. Let me click on the trade Exness terminal. Here we go. We have funds in our account right now, and I am going to put my first trade. Sell as much as carry I can trade. I can. Okay, this one, look at the chart. Here we go. We are having the sell trade as well, and we earn $2 right now, $3 and $4. And let me close my trade. Let me check my account, and here we go. Yeah, 354. I just instantly deposit fund in my account and took my first trade and earned $4 instantly. And I can withdraw anytime. So let me show you the withdraw procedure as well. The withdraw procedure is very simple. You can transfer your funds to your wallet as well between your account. And let me transfer my funds to the BEP USDT. BEP, yeah, that's one. Or I can, for example, I'm going to transfer $200 in my BEP20 account. It's very easy for me, so I can. So that's how I can deposit and withdraw funds from my account. Let me show you. Yeah, there's it's $154 is left now. So no, if I want to do trade again and again, I'm just put my trades, and there is a very easy way to put stop loss and take profit as well. So I'm going to put, this is my take profit. Okay, 4,044 stop loss. It's my sell trade. Okay, sorry, it's my sell trade. That's my TP, $38, and that's my SL. For example, I'm going to put my SL on. So here we go. Trade is very simple. Let me put my second trade stop loss and my second trade TP as well. Okay, that's done. I took 2 trades and put take profit and stop loss immediately. But I want to show you something extra as well. Let me show you 3 more options. If you want to close trade your partially, you can as well to close your trade via partially. Guys, I hope you like the video, but let me show you the withdraw procedure as well. No, I have found in BEP. Yeah, that's the wallet of mine, and I have $200 in the wallet. And let me just copy and paste my BEP20 address here and put my amount, and just click on the continue, and you got withdraw in your account. If you want to deposit and if you want to buy USDT, if you want to withdraw your USD, just contact our team. Our team inshallah will also help you for deposit and withdraw in your account. So if you have any question related to the deposit and withdraw, just write in comment below and I will answer you every of your problem. And last thing is, one rule please remember when you are going to deposit or withdraw money in your Exness trading terminal. A rule is simple. The withdraw method is same you use while you deposit money in your account. Why? Let's suppose if I deposit with the USDT TRC20, or I want withdraw in Nettler, that's wrong. They're not going to give you the withdraw. They reject your withdraw immediately. So that's the way. Please use deposit and withdraw same method. Which method you use for deposit, only that method you need to use for withdraw as well. For more info, please contact us. We will help you for any issue you are facing. We will love to teach you whatever we know. Our support team is ready to help you 24/7. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like the video and I hope you learn many things as I promised when I start the video. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.